Today, I'm diving into a skincare secret that's been around for ages: coconut oil. This natural wonder can work magic on your face, but you need to know how to use it right. Let's unlock the secrets and benefits of coconut oil for your skin. Let's talk about hydration. Coconut oil is an amazing natural moisturizer. It's perfect for dry skin because it locks in moisture, keeping your skin soft and supple. But that's not all. It also soothes irritation thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. So if you're dealing with redness or minor wounds, coconut oil can help calm things down. Now, did you know that coconut oil has antibacterial and antifungal properties? Yep, it can help reduce acne and prevent infections. Plus, the antioxidants in coconut oil support your skin's natural healing process and repair damage from environmental stressors. And for those worried about aging, the fatty acids and vitamin E in coconut oil can improve skin elasticity and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Another great use for coconut oil is as a gentle makeup remover. It effectively dissolves makeup, even stubborn eye makeup, without harsh chemicals. How to use coconut oil on your face. 1. As a moisturizer, after cleansing your face, take a small amount of coconut oil and warm it between your palms. Gently massage the oil into your face using upward circular motions. Let it absorb into your skin overnight for a deep moisturizing effect. 2. For makeup removal, scoop a small amount of coconut oil and rub it between your hands to melt it. Apply the oil to your face and massage gently to dissolve makeup. Wipe away the oil and makeup with a warm, damp cloth. 3. Lip balm. Simply apply a small amount of coconut oil to your lips to keep them moisturized and prevent chapping. 4. For a face mask, mix 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and a tablespoon of turmeric if you want a brightening effect. Apply the mask evenly to your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. 5. For spot treatment, apply a small amount of coconut oil directly to dry or flaky areas on your face. Gently massage it in and leave it on overnight. Here are some tips for the best results. 1. Use virgin cold-pressed coconut oil for top quality and benefits. 2. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use coconut oil sparingly or do a patch test first to see how your skin reacts. 3. Don't use too much coconut oil. It can be heavy and potentially clog pores, especially for sensitive skin. Coconut oil can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, offering natural hydration and protection. Just keep an eye on how your skin responds and adjust your usage accordingly. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more skincare tips. Until next time, keep glowing.